Hi kids, let's learn 20 reptiles and crawling animals.
This is a snake.
Snakes are long reptiles. They have no legs. Snakes can slither.
This is a crocodile.
Crocodiles are big reptiles. They have strong jaws. Crocodiles live in water.
This is a horned lizard.
Horned lizards are small reptiles. They have spiky horns. They live in deserts.
This is a gecko.
Geckos are small lizards. They have sticky feet. Geckos can climb walls.
This is an iguana.
Iguanas are green reptiles. They have long tails. Iguanas eat plants.
This is a Komodo dragon.
Komodo dragons are giant lizards. They are very strong. They live on islands.
This is a tortoise.
Tortoises are land reptiles. They have hard shells. Tortoises move slowly.
This is a turtle.
Turtles are water reptiles. They have strong shells. Turtles swim well.
This is a monitor lizard.
Monitor lizards are large reptiles. They have long tongues. They hunt small animals.
This is a lizard.
Lizards are small reptiles. They have long tails. Lizards move quickly.
This is a chameleon.
Chameleons are special lizards. They change colors. They have long tongues.
This is a salamander.
Salamanders are small amphibians. They have smooth skin. They live near water.
This is a millipede.
Millipedes are long creatures. They have many legs. They curl when scared.
This is a scorpion.
Scorpions are small. They have claws and stingers. They can sting.
This is a louse.
Lice are tiny insects. They live on hair. They feed on blood.
This is a centipede.
Centipedes are long creatures. They have many legs. They move fast.
This is a stag beetle.
Stag beetles are big insects. They have large jaws. They live in forests.
This is a spider.
Spiders are arachnids. They have 8 legs. They spin webs.
This is an earthworm.
Earthworms are soft animals. They live in soil. They help the earth.
This is an earwig.
Earwigs are small insects. They have tiny pincers. They hide in dark places. Bye kids, subscribe and join our channel.